Hi guys, so let's start the brine shrimp hatchery. So there are a few materials that we need, and also we need the brine shrimp eggs, and some would come in a canister. So we need some air stone and also a clamp to use as a regulator because I have several distribution of air that I need, scissors, cutter, and a masking tape. And you would need a cola or a canister, a soft drink canister, and then a use of the flame just to heat up the edge so it would not be sharp to cut my hands. And we need the bottom part, so I just cut it into two, and just to use it to hold the bottle upside down. So, and I'm going to use this masking tape to hold the bottle so it would not sway, and we need a lampshade, so that is to use later on, and an air pump of course. So you just need to put the air stone inside the bottle. Later on I would show you. So we need the tap water, no need to dechlorinize, and also just need to pour it inside a bottle, just enough. So this is my first time actually to do this hatchery, and thank you to my friends in the pet shop. And we'll be using a tablespoon of rock salt, not iodized salt, okay? And we just need to turn on the air pump, and also a little bit of baking soda. This is just to stabilize the pH of the water. So after that, I'm using this brand of baking soda. So just after a couple of minutes, we will be pouring the brine shrimp, baby brine shrimp. So I placed just a little because I don't have much of babies to feed, but you can feed this to adults too. But the purpose of doing this, because fishes or baby fishes or fry have small mouth, and they cannot eat large food. So brine shrimp is actually very small, which is enough for them to feed, and this is high in protein that would help them to grow faster. So we just need to make sure that this will keep on running for sometimes it's 1 day to 3 days, depends on the quality of your brine shrimp. And we're using the lampshade to use, as for brine shrimp they're attracted to light, so you'll be using this lampshade whenever that they're hatched already. It will help us to catch them actually as they are drawn to the light. So as you would see here, after on my end, after 72 hours, it's really hard to see because they're very small, but here I'm using a syringe to catch them. But if you have a keen eye, you would actually see the baby brine shrimp. And these are my fry, and other than the brine shrimp, the fry, you could feed other small fishes that you have in your other tanks. Thank you for watching. So till the next one, bye!